We got Aunt Rosa out here with the fresh ass bean. Got the red gut. Look at this shit, bro. Look at that. Damn. You out here with the farm. With the farm. What is it? 128. Got the Lolo. We're gonna ride TV. Look at this joint. It's clean. Clean. Man, this joint beautiful. Yes, sir. Got the flag out. You already know. That joint clean. 13s to the concrete. Homie pulled up with the 240, the clean joint. Stock. You don't see him like that, man. Damn, bro. Damn. You mind if I open the door? Oh my god. Look at how clean this is. Everything works. 180SX Max. Everything's there, bro. This is a clean ass 240.
The SR is built, head, block.
Yeah, we got all the whips out here. Domestic, the foreigns. We like the foreign. Got the beam. E46 drum. And we got the Hondas. What is he talking about? Mini just chilling here. Look at this shit. It's an S2. There's a stick. And it's a stick gun. Can't see. What's your review on the Mercury, huh?
It's a DIY. Really fast. Rips up the streets and the tires. Might just fall apart on you.
And it has on multiple occasions. And there's no tread. Look at this shit. Nothing.
Well, I know one thing.
Rims be extra clean.
They dirty as
no matter what the day, the
dirty
weather,
as shit,
anything, the
man.
rims be extra clean.
The
Yeah,
rims
that's
dirty as
right.
shit.
The rims is clean.
Thank you, Mike B.
The rims are clean, but the car need a new fucking dress job.
Deep. But the gas station, John, you already know. What's up, OG? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, OG?
He's gonna be here tomorrow. He tries to get it.
Close it! Close it!
No, don't close it! Why would you not close it? Oh shit!
I jumped like a bitch, man. Hey yo! Who's Razor?
Go for it.
Yo!
I'm gonna push it in fully when it goes in.
Oh!
Oh! Put it down somewhere.
Oh, my bad.
Nah, you good, you good.
You're gonna put the lid on?
Oh, it's gonna. This one's gonna like explode, and then the other one's gonna explode. I don't think that.
Oh! Yo! Dying.
Oh, it might not go now. Fuck it.
No.
Yo, what happened? Got his fucking brains blowing out.
Good time.
Oh, the goal!
Yo! What's the medium?
We gotta test the sound. Damn.
The smoke. Wait, let me come. Let me open my phone. Hold on. No, light the bigger one. Light the bigger one. So the Capri needs a new fuel tank. We got everything we need. Got all the gaskets and everything, the rubber gaskets. Stuff from CJ Pony. Got new. The AM lines to the external fuel pump, so you can still run a stock tank. It's dash 10 and dash 6. Another gasket, the one that always leaks on the foxbody tanks. New fuel filters. Pull on dash 6. Earls from Summer. That's alright. What's up? Some Earls fittings. Everything we need. Dash 6 stuff. Alright, let's get it on the car. Get the old tank off and the new one on. Alright. Got the old tank out. Making some fuel line. Fitting everything. Still got more to make. Cutting this without a vise because I don't own a vise. Oh, flashlight. Old tank is out. There it is. Old and crusty sump tank. It's time for a new one. This one's deteriorating and clogging my filters. It's nasty. It's like metal shavings in there. I don't know if you can see that. But what's that? So here's some of the lines I made. Nice looking things. All done, ready to go. Tank is over here. So you can run an external pump. Get this pickup. It's the new tank. I'll go in. And everything. I'm gonna try to first start up. Show you the tank real quick. There's the new tank. Alright. Just put some gas in it. I'll try this out. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully there's no leaks. Prime the pump real quick. Neutral. Runs. Perfect. There we go. That. Is after the gas tank swap. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive, see how it runs. It's been running pretty good during the week, but we're gonna give you a little video on that. You see how good she's really running. Trying to get the gas tank. You can kind of see it. All right, let's take it for a drive. It's a gangster party. Gangster party. It's a gangster party. Tell the homies in the hood it's a gangster party. I made some real friends. Send a lot of bitches top. Like five in this black bed. Recline the seat back. Walking around with 9 food, all type of shit. This shit feel good to be out, nigga. This shit feel better than, just imagine, nigga, you just sitting in that motherfucker waiting, nigga, bitches playing, leaving you on scene, all type of shit, my nigga, and then just boom, my nigga. So like I said, man, just stay solid, my nigga, and if you go down, go to trial. If you lose, you gotta appeal it. Badass crazy. And niggas like that's my brother hit my line and said he got my back, and I ain't tripping like my nigga BG when I hit LAX. I'm like, what's happening, man? Starstruck.
most high. Why I'm so burnt out for. Now where they got me dropping acapellas for burnout for.
Earth went on the airwaves, cocoa butter and hairspray. I could see my way. Remember Crenshaw Rodeo, go up on a Sunday. It was all fun and games until they came out with gunplay. It was hot and go. My mom the one, and if you with it, then okay. Smoking beaties